y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking these braids down. I had them in for about 4 to 5 weeks, I think. Yeah, I had them since I was in Ethiopia. So I'm pretty sure like 5 weeks now. So they've been in for a while. I feel like they still look really good for being in my hair that long. So I'm proud of that, but I'm ready to take these out. I posted a quick little tutorial on my Instagram of how I maintain braids while I have them in. So I'm gonna link that in the description below if you guys wanna see that. I usually don't keep braids in that long, but I really like these. Have I gotten this out before? I think the last time I got braids like cornrowed like this with extensions, it was like way thicker. I don't think I've ever really done anything like this before, but I definitely like this style on me. Otherwise, I probably would have took it out way earlier because I'm telling y'all, I take braids out after like 2 weeks. I'm really terrible. But these stayed in for a long time, so I'm really hyped to see the growth. These braids are so loose. Like this one on the side, I don't know if y'all can see, I'm literally picking this up, like it's so loose. I had to pin this one down so it wasn't looking crazy. So that's how you know these braids are ready to get out of my head. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I take down my braids, and then I'm gonna also be doing wash day. I don't know if I'm gonna make this one video or two, so I really don't know. So we'll just see how that goes, but let's get into the taking down part. So first of all, I'm going to be pre-pooing a little bit. I have some aloe in my house, like an aloe vera plant, so I just picked up one of the leaves, cut it up into tiny pieces. So I'm gonna be rubbing the aloe on my hair as I take it down because I am gonna be washing right after I'm done. So I'm just using that as a pre-poo, just to let y'all know. And then, yeah. So, oh, I also have my spray bottle with, what did I put in here? I think I just put conditioner. This is just a regular spray bottle with water and conditioner mixed together. So I'm gonna be spraying it and then rubbing the aloe as I go. And of course I have my scissors here, so I'm gonna get started with cutting them. I'm not slicing myself. I really feel like I should be cutting down here because I don't know how long these braids, I don't know how long my hair is. This is my real hair right here for sure, so I feel like this is what I'm gonna do, okay? My wisdom lock has just been hanging out back here. Ain't nobody noticed it. So just cut the other side. Dang, I kind of just want to put beads in. It's cold outside, let me not. But if I did this and put beads in, that would be mad cute. But we're gonna start with this one. And it was really interesting to get my hair done out there because they do not have extension hair in Ethiopia, which I was surprised because I know they have it in West Africa and I really thought that was like global. But I really liked the braiding hair that they used because like even touching this is so soft, and I didn't really get irritated. Usually when I get braids, my scalp really itches and I be knowing like it's the extension hair, but these were really like this is really soft and it didn't irritate me. But I know they have, I don't know what brand it was though. I should have took a picture. But the packs were way smaller. Like she used so many packs on my head because the Expressions packs be like a lot of hair, and the packs they was using over there was so tiny. Okay. So boom, that's one braid. Just taking my spray bottle, especially you want to get the buildup before you start shampooing or touch it with water. That is mandatory. Your hair can really like you know, mat up a little bit. If you've ever took your braids down, your hair like matted up, that's from not really getting the product buildup out. See, I can see right here like I have some product buildup, so I just want to make sure. Ooh, this mist be misting, y'all. Just spray my face. But you just want to make sure that you're loosening the hair with some type of product, loosening the product buildup with some type of product. So I feel like my hair grew. I hope so. So I'm just taking the aloe that I already had cut in half. And I'm not even really about to do too much. I'm just doing this. Especially my ends. I really wanted to get a trim before I got my hair braided, but I did not have time. So this is one little piece. Gotta get the scalp too, you feel me? So yeah. So now I'm just gonna do the next braid now that y'all seen how I did it. And I'm gonna probably be speeding up the video. Okay, y'all, so that's it. I did the rest of my hair off camera, and I did record my wash day video. There's going to be a part 2 to this video where I show y'all my wash day routine, so be sure to subscribe so you guys don't miss it. And thank you guys for watching again. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.